it's lunchtime.
Come and get it!
You know, Jan, when I was a little girl, I used to come to a farm just like this, and the man who owned it was just like you. I always wished he could be my grandfather. I never knew my grandparents.
I'd be delighted to be your honorary grandfather.
So, gang, what do you think?
Sprouts and everything. These hamburgers are great.
These hamburgers are great. They're not hamburgers, Alex. They're soya burgers.
Lois, health food? I don't know. I'm not so sure about all of this.
Oh, this is fabulous stuff. I mean, these are the soya burgers. This is a lentil casserole over there. Lots of fruit and vegetables. Tabbouleh over here. And, of course, oatmeal bread.
Oatmeal bread?
Yeah, I mean, you know, mares eat oats.
What?
Come on along with me. I think I better explain. You're beautiful. I know a ditty. Nutty as a fruitcake. Goofy as a goon. Silly as a loon. Some call it crazy. Others call it silly. But they all sing this tune. Mares eat oats and does eat oats and little lambs eat ivy. A kid'll eat ivy too, wouldn't you? Mares eat oats and does eat oats and little lambs eat ivy. A kid'll eat ivy too, wouldn't you?
Lois, what's all this maresy, dicey, dozy, lambsy stuff? Yeah, Lois, what's it all about? Sounds weird to me.
If the words sound queer and funny to your ear, a little bit jumbled and jivey, try this, kids. Sing mares eat oats.
Mares eat oats.
Good. And does eat oats.
Does eat oats.
And little lambs eat ivy.
Oh.
Mares eat oats and does eat oats and little lambs eat ivy. A kid'll eat ivy too, wouldn't you? Let's do it again. Mares eat oats and does eat oats and little lambs eat ivy. A kid'll eat ivy too, wouldn't you? If the words sound queer, funny to your ear, a little bit jumbled and jivey, help me sing it. Sing mares eat oats and does eat oats and little lambs eat ivy. Okay, Shiloh, here we go. Mares eat oats and does eat oats and little lambs eat ivy. A kid'll eat ivy too, wouldn't you? A kid'll eat ivy too, wouldn't you?
Hey, this was great. Look, I'm a member of the Clean Plate Club.
I'm so happy.
This was terrific food, Lois. I guess you don't want any of my special chocolate dessert.
Oh, no. We'd like chocolate, wouldn't we? Yes, we would. Yes.
It's made with oil and vinegar.
That sounds like salad dressing.
It's my favorite. Jan makes it for me all the time.
Well, I got it. I've got it. You are a chef in a 5-star restaurant, and you're his head waiter, right, Chad?
Wrong again. Now that we fed ourselves, it's time to feed the critters.
Did I hear somebody say something about feeding the critters?
Eric, where did you come from?
Oh, I was out in the field. I was taking scarecrow lessons.
Really, Eric? Do you expect us to believe that?
Well, actually, I was lending my instruments to the animals. They were making some music.
Animals playing instruments? Come on.
Oh, no, it's true. Tell them, Jan. Animals make music and play instruments all the time.
Of course they do. They have a marvelous choir.
You guys are pulling our legs.
I'll prove it to you. All the God's critters got a place in the choir. Some sing low, some sing higher, some sing out loud on a telephone wire. And some just clap their hands or pause or anything you got now. Listen to the bass, that's the part at the bottom where the bullfrog pumps. The hippopotamus moans and groans with a big to-do. The old cow just goes moo. Sing it with me. All the God's critters got a place in the choir. Some sing low, some sing higher, some sing out loud on a telephone wire. Some just clap their hands or pause or anything you got now. The dogs and the cats take the part in the middle where the hummingbee hums. The cricket fiddles, the donkey brays, and the pony neighs. The wild coyote howls. All the God's critters got a place in the choir. Some sing low, some sing high, some sing out loud clap your ears, maybe. You know, you guys are singing pretty good, but you could be just a little bit louder, okay? Once or oh, it's a piggy. You sing in the night, sing in the day. The little duck quacks and he's on his way. The possum ain't got nothing to say, and the porcupine talks to himself. All the God's creatures got a place in choir. Some sing low, some sing high, some sing out loud on the telephone wire. Some just clap their hands, applause, or anything you got now.
All right, Bram, time is up. Have you cracked the case?
Well, clearly you're not mother and daughter. You're not twins.
No.
Well, young and old can do just about anything together. I don't know. I give up.
We sing together.
Well, I knew that. I heard you.
You haven't heard anything yet.